Hi, I'm Amy and I teach dance at Allegra this summer. I understand that dance can be really intimidating, especially in theater. It's really hard to know when to point your toe or what is rhythm. And I really want to create a safe space where children can feel comfortable asking questions and um,
Don't really
and learn without
100% get
judgment
what
or
you do.
harsh criticism.
What do you mean? What
I
part?
mean, I know that word for dancing, but like when we do the dab dab and then
You're
the
doing it right.
we put our hands on our hip and
It
then
goes behind your back.
I really
Yes.
want to show
Yeah,
kids
you're doing
that
it right.
dancing can be fun. Even though you think that you're not a dancer, anyone can really learn how to dance and learn all of these skills that they didn't know they had, and even come to be an amazing dancer and they didn't know that they had it in them.